What's up everyone, you're watching Game Knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix headphone jack not working problem in Samsung Galaxy A12. So before starting video, if you are new on this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix headphone jack not working problem in Samsung Galaxy A12, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.